there she goes on our new toy. We just bought a snowmobile. We're gonna come out and have some fun. So stay tuned. We're gonna get some footage and pull some tubes around and just have a good time. Look at this view. Look at this view out here. Woo! That's slippery. That's slippery. But anyways, yeah. So stay tuned. We're gonna get Jake on it. We're gonna get Rachel on it. We're gonna pull the kids on the tubes. I'm gonna try to get my wife on it. We're gonna try to let Brookie drive it. We're just gonna have a good time. I can't. She doesn't want to be filmed. Almost went viral there. Here we go! Stomach's fine. Okay, it's start. It's recording. And that is that. I don't even know what kind of footage I got, but I really don't care because, you know, basically just showing you what it's like. We had the TW200. Well, I should have set the camera with Jake, but I've got the Yamaha Exciter II. It got me excited. It was fun, and I think everyone else was excited. Jake, I know he was. My wife asked me to take her for a ride. That was exciting. That was fun. But my ears are gonna fall off. But we're all gonna go home, and we're gonna have fun. And there's Rachel. I don't know if you can see her. She's in the truck. She's kind of cold too because they went on a ride. But that's it. Follow along, subscribe. We got some more stuff coming. More toys, more camping trips, more time with Handbrake Jake, HBJ. Anyways, all right, peace out.